Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Canva. Sign in and pick your template, then upload the picture you want to use. Once uploaded, drag it from Uploads onto the canvas to place it immediately. This saves time versus using menu navigation. Make sure your file format and resolution fit your layout, because an image that's too small will blur when scaled. If you need transparency, use PNG. Now that it's on the canvas, position it roughly where you want to refine next. Once the image is on the canvas, focus on composition. Click and drag corner handles to resize and hold Shift to preserve proportions. This prevents distortion. Use the crop tool to tighten framing and alignment guides to center or snap to edges for balance. If the background needs removal, choose Effects then Background Remover. Otherwise, tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation to match your design. Make sure overlays or text remain legible. You can lower opacity or add a subtle shadow to separate the image from elements. To finish, organize. Group related elements and lock layers you won't change, so accidental moves won't break your layout. Use Position to send the image forward or backward relative to text and shapes, then export in the format you need. PNG for transparency, JPG for smaller files, PDF for print. If uploading fails or the image looks low quality, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or convert the file to a high-quality JPG or PNG and upload again. This fixes most import issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.